You want a new bathroom, but you don't have $15,000 or $20,000 sitting in your bank account. Most people don't. And that's exactly why bathroom remodeling companies offer financing, but not all financing is created equal. Some options save you thousands. Others trap you in high-interest debt that costs more than the remodel itself. In this video, I'm covering the 5 main ways to pay for a bathroom remodel in 2026 and which ones actually make sense. I'm going to rank these from the smartest option to the riskiest. If you're planning a remodel in the next 6 to 12 months, this will help you figure out how to fund it before you even call a contractor. Option 1, and usually the smartest, a home equity loan or HELOC, that's a home equity line of credit. If you have equity in your home, this gives you the lowest interest rates available, typically 6 to 9% in 2026 depending on your credit. A HELOC works like a credit card secured by your home. You draw what you need, you pay interest only on what you use, and you pay it back over time. A home equity loan gives you a lump sum with a fixed rate. The advantage: low rates, tax-deductible interest in many cases, and long repayment terms. The risk: your home is the collateral. If you can't make payments, the bank can come after your house. So only use this if you're financially stable with steady income. For homeowners in the Twin Cities area with decent equity, this is usually the play. Option 2, financing through the contractor. Many bathroom remodeling companies now offer built-in financing, often with promotional rates like 0% interest for 12 to 18 months. This is convenient because you don't have to apply separately, and the payments are built into the project cost. The catch? Read the fine print. That 0% rate usually jumps to 18 to 25% after the promo period. If you don't pay it off during the zero interest window, you'll pay interest retroactively on the entire balance from day one. Use this option only if you're confident you can pay it off within the promotional period. Option 3, a personal loan from a bank or online lender. Unsecured, so your home isn't at risk. Rates in 2026 typically run 8 to 15% depending on your credit score. Approval is fast, sometimes same day. This is a solid middle option if you don't have enough equity for a HELOC or if your remodel is under $15,000. The downside is higher rates than a home equity product and shorter repayment terms, usually 2 to 7 years. Option 4, credit card. I'll be direct, this is usually a bad idea for a bathroom remodel. Average credit card rates in 2026 are above 20%. On a $10,000 remodel, that's $2,000 a year in interest alone if you carry the balance. The only scenario where this works, you have a 0% introductory APR card with a high enough limit, and you can pay it off before the promo rate expires. Otherwise, stay away. Option 5, paying cash. If you can do it without emptying your emergency fund, this is obviously the simplest option: no interest, no payments, no risk. But most financial advisors recommend keeping at least 3 to 6 months of expenses in reserve. If paying for a remodel in cash would leave you with less than that, consider financing part of it instead. Here's the thing: most people don't realize many remodeling contractors in the Twin Cities area offer multiple financing options and can walk you through what works for your situation. Some even offer zero interest plans for qualified homeowners. I've put a direct line in the description below that connects you with licensed bathroom remodeling contractors in the Minneapolis-St. Paul area. Tell them your budget and ask about payment options. You'll get a real quote and real financing terms, not a generic rate from a website. No obligation, no commitment. Don't let budget stop you from fixing a bathroom that needs work. The financing options exist, you just need to pick the right one for your situation. Get the quotes, compare the terms, and make a decision that protects your wallet long term. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe for more practical home improvement guides. Drop a comment if you've got questions about financing. I'll try to help. See you in the next one.